Welcome to our channel Science and Knowledge. So finally, here are the top 7 biggest upgrades that will be equipped in the most futuristic Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra. To know all this here, please watch the video till the end. The Galaxy S24 Ultra is one of the most high-end anticipated smartphones of 2024 because the South Korean giant Samsung is really rethinking what makes a flagship truly smart. According to the available data, Samsung is following Apple's planning for the Galaxy S24 Ultra using titanium frames. Titanium metal is not only tougher than aluminum, but also it is lighter in weight. Yes, the new iPhone 15 Pro Max is even lighter 7.81 ounces, but the smartphone is not launched with a built-in S Pen stylus like the Galaxy S24 Ultra model. The biggest new upgrades for the Galaxy S24 Ultra will be generative AI, which Samsung has already tested multiple features that will make your life more innovative. For example, AI Translate Call will allow you to call someone who speaks another language and get audio and text translation in real time. The new Galaxy S24 Ultra will stick with a 6.8 inches OLED display, but there will be major upgrades under the hood. First, Tech Insider Ice Universe says that the new Galaxy S24 Ultra will reach a peak brightness of up to 2500 nits. The new Galaxy S24 Ultra will also get a refresh rate up to 144 Hz. This will be an awesome upgrade for the high-resolution game lovers. The main 200-megapixel camera of the Galaxy S24 Ultra will get a bigger and brighter sensor to compete with the best camera flagships. But the biggest twist will be in the Galaxy S24 Ultra zooming capabilities. We can expect Samsung to switch to a 10-megapixel 3x telephoto and a sharper 50-megapixel 5x zoom lens. That looks like a downgrade in terms of zooming power, but Samsung will introduce something special for photography using AI features. According to the news, Samsung has revealed new Zoom Anyplace camera technology that will create the next level of photography. It uses a combination of a 200-megapixel sensor and AI to improve zooming capabilities. The Galaxy S24 Ultra will have a powerful chipset, Snapdragon 8 Gen 3. It has its own AI engine for generative AI and it enables night mode for video. Other features will be included: 16 GB of RAM. Gamers will appreciate a 40% improvement in ray tracing performance. Samsung is rumored to bring a new stacked battery technology to the Galaxy S24 Ultra along with an improved cooling system. Another plus is that Samsung will include 65-watt fast battery charging instead of 45-watt charging. That's it for now. For more updates, please subscribe to our channel Science and Knowledge. Until the next video, take care of yourself very well. Peace out.